What do you actually want?
Most people spend their entire lives running from one feeling. Not fear, not grief. I just want to stop feeling like this.
Like what?
Like I'm always one mistake away from people finding out who I really am.
That is shame.
You don't know me well enough yet. It was nothing, really.
That is not modesty. That is shame protecting itself.
Is this fixable? Shame is the only wound that convinces you it is not a wound. It convinces you it is just who you are.
Hey, it's okay. Try to calm down. Shame is not something you are born with. It can be learned quietly. One moment, one laugh, one public mistake, and you made a decision that changed how you move through the world.
That's nice.
When what you make is met with indifference, you learn that what comes from you is not worth making.
You've had ideas that never made it out of your head. Things you wanted to say, but didn't. Projects you thought about, but quietly set aside.
What are you most proud of?
I don't know, I've done some stuff. Shame blocks intimacy more effectively than any wall you could build.
Shame does not live in the past. It lives in the present. Tense. Always.
How are you feeling right now?
Here is the difference nobody explains. Guilt says, I did something bad. Shame says, I am something bad.
Yes.
The overthinking, the pressure to seem okay, the yes when you meant no, the distance in relationships.
So everything I've been doing is just trying to prove the shame wrong?
Or trying to make sure nobody finds out you think it's right. Right.
Step 1. Ask the question, and shame never lets you ask. What would you do, create, be, if...
Shame says the real you is the problem, but the real you is the one who just wrote everything you want without editing it.
What are you most proud of?
I think I'm proud that I didn't quit, even when I wanted to disappear.
That's really strong.
Every time the thing shame predicted does not happen, your nervous system updates its file. Not immediately.
Step 3. Create something and let it be imperfect. Not because imperfection is the goal, but because shame uses perfectionism as a lockdown.
What do you actually want?
I want to stop hiding. I want to make things. I want to be known without bracing for what people will find.
Same room.
Same question. Different man.
You know someone like this. Someone who is brilliant and cannot see it. Who creates things and destroys them before anyone can say no.
If you have ever felt one mistake away from being found out, if you have ever deleted the thing you made, if you have ever shrunk in a room where you belonged,
don't overthink this. If someone came to your mind, the brilliant one who never lets themselves be seen, the one who creates things,